All right, let's take a look at the home screen and how to use it. This is basically a menu of the disciplines that you can do that day. You can click through on any of these, or if you go up to the top left, you can click these two lines and you can click through from these buttons here. These are all the disciplines. Now, if you don't like the 4 default disciplines that I've chosen for the day, you can drag different ones down. So if I want music to be in the 3rd slot and God Stories to be in the 2nd slot, you can do that. And you can reset them by clicking that right there. Now on this drop down, you also have information about me and about the app and a QR code to share it, a video on how to use the app as a whole, and you can give feedback here. Now in the top right, you always have an information screen on how to use that screen. Let's go to the bottom tray. In here we have a journal, so you can type down your thoughts here, or you can just push the microphone to dictate your thoughts. You can close your eyes and just talk to God. Then when you feel like he has a reply of some sort, you can fill in that line in the same way, and then push submit, and it gets added to the list of journal. Here we have a timer, so set it to the number of minutes and push play. It'll notify you when it's done. Motivator tools is what you see at the top there, that B going away and coming. Let's just show you what that is. When you have motivator tools on, the B starts moving. This is to motivate you to not get distracted. When you go to a different app and try to come back, the B freezes in his tracks. And next to it we have a little timer, which if you click it, it just gives you the easy way to set an alarm to use your app each day. Just say, hey Siri or hey Google, set an alarm for 8 a.m. or whatever to use my app, to use the Creature Habits app. This here is a score. There are check marks that appear after a minute or so using each screen, and when you click the check mark, this score goes up. Now let's take a look at the other check mark down here, Guide Me. What this does, if you have it clicked, is it plays the audio prompt each time you go to that screen, if that's clicked. So let's go to the first screen and you'll hear it begin. For the first 20 seconds of this minute, thank God for the gifts in your life. All right, so you get the idea. And I think we've covered it all. Actually, we have a to-do list here too. Throughout the entire app, when you come up with something that you need to do, instead of going to a different app to try to write it down, this is a sign-in screen. It's behind after you sign in, this shows up so that you can use your use the app to rank on quickness, urgency, and importance the tasks of the day, and so you know which one to do first. And that is in this tray so that throughout the entire app, when you think of something you need to do, you can just add it right there. All right,